about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。这一集啊，真的好香啊！因为呢，我们又要来聊好香哦。You know, things that smell great could be food, it could be perfume. We're going to teach you how to use this phrase in a normal dialogue. 好香哦，怎么说？
很香哦。
很香哦，香就是香嘛，
很香哦。
是，你知道我喜欢吃美食，但我更爱喝咖啡
啊，真的。
那咖啡当然第一个它提神啦。第二个，它真的其实很香
远远如果新开什么咖啡店，哇，那个咖啡味好重哦。
有啊，我家附近最近就开咖啡店，
然
后呢，骑脚踏车过去的话就会闻到，就会哪怕已经喝了2杯咖啡，还会想要进去再喝。
不可以喝太多。
All right, let's say there's a coffee shop around the corner. It smells great, and you want to describe the situation. 哦，好香哦。
很香哦。
很香哦。That means, wow, that smells great.And that's because 前面有一间新开的咖啡店 There's a new coffee bar up front
頭前有一間新開嘅咖啡店咖啡店就是咖啡店 That's a cafe 咖啡店 And then 新開的叫做 新開嘅
OK 然後在前面嘛所以是頭前 OK 頭前
對
有一個新開的咖啡店不錯
頭前有一間新開嘅咖啡店
那我們一起去喝吧對不對
好啊
Let's go have a drink together 我們去喝吧
N 來去試喝或者可以說 N 來去啉喝
啉更是飲料的飲對不對因為吃我們通常在吃飯也會用食這個字嘛
對或者是吃茶
Yeah, okay, so eating, drinking could be the same word, but there is a different word for drinking. That's 啉喝Let's go drink this together. 好这不错真的你喜欢喝咖啡吗
还可以如果你请我我就去
一定请你啦但是我们现在来复习一下 OK 前面怎么说 up front
頭前
然後呢咖啡
咖啡
然後去喝有2個說法吃
或者可以說啉
Okay, those are both drinking. Alright, it's all about teaching you the phrase this month. It smells great. 我們一直在教大家怎麼說好香哦
很香哦
It could be coffee, it could be food.
都是很香哦
很香哦 There you go. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
俺只說張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.